won't you meet me by the beach? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. No, 30 degrees, way to go, so hold me tight.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's your girl Queen K. How you guys doing? I'm doing good. Today's video is going to be a cooking video, and I have a special guest with me. I have no special guest with me.
How you doing? You know, this Rambo, aka Rambo 107, man. You know what's going on. Go check me out. I'm finna drop some bangers. Yeah, so.
This is my partner, you all, Rambo. His nickname, his stage name.
I mean,
y'all,
talk to me.
Check it out. Check it out.
Check this drop. Yeah.
Okay, that's enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, he does. He does. I'm just playing. He does music. So yes, go check out his music. He has a YouTube as well. What is it? KVG Rambo.
Yeah, it's finna be K.Rambo 107. Go check me out. I mean,
He gonna change his name.
Yeah.
So y'all go check my bae out. But anyways, we are doing a cooking video. Let me tell y'all what is on the menu. We have cabbage. Okay, so before I go all the way into it, it's Monday, and I know usually this is like a Sunday layout or spread, whatever you want to call it, but I didn't do it yesterday, so I'm doing it today. So mind your business. We are having cabbage, cornbread, rice, mac, and chicken.
I mean,
baked chicken.
Yeah, fine.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You ready?
Okay. I don't know, because I'm gonna have to. I feel like I'm gonna have to stop a lot and direct you a lot.
Nah, because
he don't cook, so
yeah, I don't be cooking like that, but I still whip in the kitchen now.
I literally have to tell him every step, y'all, of what to do. I mean, I guess that's okay. Let's take y'all to the kitchen. Come on. What's up, son? What you need? Sorry if y'all hear. Can y'all turn those down? Just a little bit? Because I gotta, yeah. Alright, so I did a Walmart order. I gotta figure out how we're gonna set them up there. Hold on, y'all. We'll be right back. Alright, we are back. Had to get some things together. Alright, so we're about to get started. My baby's over there cutting the cheese. Say hey. Don't wave with the knife, girl. Oh, you dangerous. Dangerous. You, my dear, you are going to, first of all, can we actually have you pull out the seasonings that we are going to need? So I got the chicken broth, sazon, the rice, the cornbread, sausage for the cabbage. Good job. Yep. I already have the sazon over here. I have the pepper over here. I have the salt over here. And that's good. That's it. And can you get the olive oil out of there, please? That should be good. Alright, so what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to go ahead and have you cut up the cabbage. And so the cutting board right here. Y'all see, I got a direct them. I gotta be like, step 1. I ain't never get the cutting board. Step 2, put the cabbage on the cutting board. Step 3, get the knife.
I ain't never cut no cabbage.
You know what's ironic? I've cut cabbage before. Play too much. I've cut cabbage before, but I haven't cooked it by myself. I usually have my mother with me in the kitchen cooking.
So what I do?
Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is turn it and slice the down.
Slice what?
The little stem thing off of it.
This stem?
No.
Mom, is that good or just a little bit like
this thing? Yeah. Do like 3 more. Cool. And now you're gonna cut it in half.
Like this.
Correct.
He actually looks like he could eat a burger. I'm giving this guy 3.5 out of 10. He's a little bit better.
Go down like this. There you go.
The second to last one you were.
Alright, I know it seems like I'm doing nothing, but that's because I told y'all, if I'm attending to him, I ain't gonna be able to do what I do.
Now what I do?
Now you cut those halves in half.
Okay, I'm gonna cut these halves in half.
Cut the whole dinner, y'all.
Really tall.
What?
Huh?
Yeah. Let's see what
What you just said?
Nothing.
You said something.
You okay? You need to pay attention to cutting and not about what I'm talking about. You okay? You need a Band-Aid?
Mm-mm. It's a deep cut this side. It's not nothing to play with.
Nevaeh, put that on the cutting board and cut it how you're supposed to cut it. Our hands are clean, so don't come for us in the comments. Alright, so now, the reason why I'm really not starting anyhow is because I'm waiting for some other chicken to thaw out. Oh yeah. Okay, so now you're going to cut off this little core piece. Let me show y'all what he's doing. So now you're going to take them. This can go in the trash, but now you're going to take them and you're going to slice this little piece out. Yeah, you can go a little bit more in because, yeah, okay. Calm down just a little bit. We got to eat the cabbage. If we cut it away, we ain't going to have nothing to eat. But yeah, you're going to, similar to that, just, you don't have to do it. No. Do it with the rest of them. Yeah, perfect. Good job. But yeah, so I'm waiting for this other chicken to thaw out.
Thank you.
Bless you. Alright, so that should be good for that cheese. Now you can go to the next cheese and get that done.
It's done.
I can get my noodles started.
Me too.
That's what I do, babe.
So now the pieces that you just chopped out, you're going to put those in the garbage.
Okay.
So I'm going to get this pot and I'm going to cook my noodles in a cup of chicken broth and a cup of water.
Are you going to put like these into a bowl or something?
Bowl. Here you go. Okay, so you got those pieces out. Now what you're going to do is you're going to slice them about a ½ inch thick. Nope, long ways. Lay it down on the other side. And then long ways. Nope, long ways. Yep. And you're going to slice them just like that, about a ½ inch thick. You don't want them too thin. Yep. Just like that, and then I'll tell you what to do after you do that. I need to get something started. Can't get nothing started. I don't measure a lot at all.
Bless you.
Thank you. You said I don't measure? I don't measure at all.
Oh.
I just do what I feel my heart tells me to do.
Yeah.
You measure with your heart. Okay? Right up in here.
Start coming out sour.
My food come out sour. So I got a cup of chicken broth and a cup of water. I'm gonna put my noodles in here.
So babe, this
I'm not making a course of big batch. That's okay.
Maybe, Mom, this is lighter than this one.
Yeah, because one is Gouda cheese and one is extra sharp cheddar. So I got a pound box, so I'm doing about I poured until there's about a quarter of the box left. So I'm gonna put those on.
Okay, babe.
Alright, so now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take them, yep, and slice them that way. I'm gonna get your pan out so you can put it in the pan. Yes, baby. Okay, not. You don't want a fine chop. You don't want it.
What?
You don't want it like garlic. You want, cut it about a half an inch thick. Yeah, you don't want them too fine because then it's like basically that's gonna be soup. Chopping it too fine, huh?
Like the video, and then let me subscribe to the video.
Mm-hmm.
So what's the pan?
Yeah, that's right. Alright, and I forgot I had some complete seasoning. Alright, so I got that going. Bring that to a boil. And then when you're done with that, I know what you can do next.
What?
I'm gonna put some more water in here because it's not covering the noodles. I'm gonna have you chop up the peppers and onions. I actually should have had you do that first, but it's okay. Alright, so that's enough. I'm not gonna do the whole thing. You can put the rest of that because you don't eat cabbage. I'm probably the only one eating it. But we'll put the rest of that in a Ziploc bag and I'll save it for another day.
Like a pan?
Yes, I certainly can. If you give me a second. Alright, y'all. Let me help her with this. I'll be right back. Alright. So I got my noodles boiling. I put some more water in there. Bay is cutting up the peppers. I have a red pepper and a green pepper and an onion to put in my cabbage. And I'm getting ready to start cutting up the sausage. So I have beef smoked sausage. We barely eat pork around here. We don't eat pork around here. The only pork we eat is bacon. We barely eat bacon.
The Slim Jim.
Oh yeah, I guess you can count that as pork. Not necessarily. It could be beef.
Not Slim Jim.
Right. A Slim Jim can be beef.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
That's why they make beef jerky.
Shut up. Don't get it twisted.
There you go. You don't need this head. Excuse me.
No, we're gonna put that away.
Okay. Putting it away. Roger that, Captain. Hot diggity dog.
Should I use all the sausage or?
On second cut.
Okay, so I just thought about it. I haven't put this cabbage in the pan, but I need to put my sausage in there first so I can cook it. Duh. Oh no, don't fall. Alright. I might have to readjust because there's a lot going on here.
Yeah, on your side.
Oh yeah, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I think I got it this time. I think I got it. No, I don't. Alright, so I need to stop touching my hair. Huh? I'm clean, y'all. I'm clean. I just recently washed my hair. Not that that makes a difference, but Turn y'all this way. I don't know where my tripod is. If I had my tripod, it would have been a little bit easier. But I don't. Alright, so I got the sausage browning. My mac is al dente for the noodles. Al dente. I'm trying to refrain from turning on the thing so that way y'all can hear me. But okay, so I got my sausage browning. After my sausage brown,
Sausage.
I'm going to
Thank God, baby.
after you finish doing that, I'm actually going to have you season the chicken. Well, clean and then season the chicken.
I thought you was doing this shit. No.
Y'all see his responses?
No, I was just saying that earlier you did.
I did say I was going to do the chicken.
Yeah. But I got you, baby.
But your response should have been,
I got you, baby. Don't worry about it, my princess. You know I got it.
okay, it didn't have to be extra, but the first time it just should have been that. Right. You gotta let them know, because if you don't let them know, they're gonna be trying to run all over you, and that's not what we're doing. Been there and done that, and I'm not doing it no more. No ma'am, no ham, no Sam, no turkey.
Where the turkey?
We ate it 2 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago.
That was good. See what we doing?
Chefing in the kitchen.
And then, you know I had to cut her up, had to get them right. I mean, now I'm just taking my little, like, I call it my 5-minute break, something like that.
It's not until Thursday, baby. My daughter has this little festival of lights at her school, and it's on Thursday. And I asked her if she wanted to go, and she said yeah. Well, them, because my daughter and my son, they go to the same school.
So we're going.
Yeah, it's around there. It costs $10 a family, and they're gonna have lights and food and games and prizes.
They can't just do $5 one day and $5 the other.
Well, it's only a 1-day event.
Oh. No, I was just kidding.
If you was to run a business, you won't profit nothing, boy. They gotta profit. Come on, $5. All that food you gonna have and stuff.
Mom, the food that we're having and the games, one of the games you have, like, they have a little. Oh, we?
Yeah, come on. Hold on, don't put on camera with anything.
She went to school. She's supposed to have leaves in the red. Well, not really. Look at my daughter's curls, y'all. You probably can't see them.
Gotta, like,
There we go. Hold on. Keep focusing on me. I see her curls. I gotta get to the thing. Keep focusing on me. Hold on.
okay, then I'm gonna focus on.
Okay, I can't keep playing in her hair because her hair is a little. Her hair can stay greased up. Okay.
Yeah, it does.
My hair, on the other hand,
No.
it will stay greased up for a little bit, and then it eats the moisture.
And Mom, the games we're having, they will have a little pool, and then there's ducks. And one time I got the star for the carnival. You have to get the star you get to the slime or something really good. I don't know what it's called, but it's something. I'm gonna play
One block.
I'm gonna turn this up a little bit.
They do have Roblox.
They do.
But you have to pay.
I don't want them crispy, but I do want just a slight burn.
You have to pay to play Roblox.
Just a slight burn.
Well, you just have to.
Plus, you're trying to get the fat to render off too.
You
So.
have to pay $20 to play.
Trying to get my fat to
Like
render
any
off.
other game, like Mario or
Really?
Donkey on.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, so now that the fat is rendering off, the next thing that I'm going to do is put my peppers and onions in here, and then I'm going to
They have a
put just probably about half a cup of chicken broth in there, because cabbage creates its own water. So we put that in there, and then I'm gonna let it do its thing. I don't know if I have a lid to cover this though. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing. Do your thing, 21. Do your thing.
Do your thing now. Do your thing now. Do your thing now. Oh!
Alright, I should not be playing in the kitchen. That is dangerous. Dangerous, I tell you. Look at this pop on me. Something popped on me.
Keep out there.
Alright, let me get my onions. Or actually, you want to get the onions? Let's switcheroo. Switcheroo.
Hey, I ain't cut the onions yet.
You ain't cut the onion yet? I need you to cut the onion, dog. We got some time.
Wait till the chicken ain't get right.
That's okay. The chicken's still getting right, so go ahead and cut up the onion. You got some time. I can turn this down. Hold on, y'all. Alright.
I'm gonna just use burgers to clean surface.
Boy. You can't see me.
Yeah, I got the U's. I got the O's. You play with me? Yeah, alright.
Okay.
Why is it so hard to peel these dang onions? That's something I can't do.
Here.
It was getting me irritated. What's wrong with these onions? Like, who invented it? Do y'all ever think deep into that? Like, who made this for real? How was it made? How's it got, like, you gotta think about all the, I mean, this
What do you
This
mean how
was-
it was made?
like, how was
it thought of? How was it made?
Yes.
It grown from the root.
what I'm saying. But how was the root made, though?
No, that's what I'm saying. How was it like thought of? Like, how does somebody
That's what I'm
go
saying.
back and be like, okay, this is an onion. It's going to be edible, and this is how it's going to be created.
Not even saying that. I'm just saying if you think deep into it. No, but that's not deep enough.
Who thinks deep enough about an onion, y'all?
If you think,
I'm cooking it and eating it.
y'all gotta think, man. The government is crazy.
Do y'all eat raw onions? I do. If it's like on a burger or a sandwich or something, don't do that because you ate raw onions the other day in the salad.
No, I didn't.
And the salad, yes, you did. Those are raw onions. Those red onions, they were raw. I did not cook them. I did not saute them. I did not put them in the oven. I didn't put them on the stove with no oil. No, none of that.
She don't even know what I did, but I took them out.
No, because I have my own personal plate, and he eats off every single plate of mine. Even this plate that I'm going to make of mine, he's going to want to eat off of it. I'm just playing. But the plate that I had onions in it, and he said, can I get a plate of your salad? And I had onions in it. All he do is eat my food. When I'm good and hungry, and now I'm ready to eat, he want to come in my plate.
Just think, man.
You just had your snack.
What I'm saying, y'all gotta think.
No,
If your shorty,
he got think.
hold on,
He got think.
let me talk.
Let me tell you, girl, man.
Hold on.
What is his is mine, and what is mine is mine, and is not. Okay, hold on. Let me tell you. Let me take that back. Hold on.
Now,
rewind.
in the comments, say something.
Listen.
Say something about that. That's something crazy.
We're dating. What's his is mine. What's mine is respectfully mine and mine only. Like,
I'm taking that. I'm taking that.
If I want to share, I'll share. Can you get this onion cut it?
I need to peel it first. No, it's not.
Cut it. Cut it.
Could you get the onion cut it?
Can you get the onion pop? Cut.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to throw these peppers in there.
Okay, throw them in. Throw them in before you commit a sin. Matter of fact, I need you to do it again. Bro, why is it so hard to peel these dang onions, man?
What you can do is take your knife and split it, and then
But you tell me not to do that though.
no, not with the onion.
That's what I'm saying.
You gotta peel the skin. No, I told you what not to do with a garlic before.
So I'm not doing garlic right now,
I
baby.
know, that's what I'm telling you. So that's what I'm saying. If you do this, let me see.
Okay.
And cut it anyway, and then sometimes that makes it a lot easier.
Still hard. It got quiet, man.
I'm just gonna say, alright, y'all, get the last bit of the little peppers. Now I'm gonna let them saute. That's okay, we can cut that off.
So I can cut this whole thing.
Dang. 5-second rule. My peppers keep popping out.
That is
Cross contamination.
yes.
We getting sick tonight. I just cleaned it, y'all. It's clean. It's okay. It was up there about a second, half a second, you know. Didn't really touch the surface too much, you know. Peel my onion.
On there.
Peel my onion. Peel my onion. Peel my onion. Peel my onion. Right there.
Where?
Up there.
It's okay. We do it right here.
Thank you.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. Slicing it so thin. Alright, so what do y'all season y'all cabbage with?
Okay. Now what?
Cut it in half. I'm gonna take some.
I cut this off too.
Not yet, because that's what makes your eyes burn if you cut that off first. But I am going to use some Creole seasoning.
Okay. No.
Okay.
Border like this.
Slice it down like you were just about to do. But slice it how you were slicing the cabbage that way. But slice it how you were slicing the cabbage.
Like this?
Yeah, but do it thin. Do it strips.
Like this.
Exactly.
Oh.
Like you were doing the cabbage. I'm thinking about using the Creoles. Creoles complete onion, garlic.
Oh my eyes
And then you're gonna
Oh, I'm about to cry.
please don't cry.
I'm about to cry.
That's all I need. You just once you finish that, just dice them up. Just take off the little end piece.
I'm about to cry. Oh, it's bad.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me. Alright, y'all. So I am back. Let me tell y'all why I am just smiling with joy because I am just reminiscing about the time where. Oh, y'all like the setup because now y'all can see. I was like, well, I just hate that y'all couldn't see what I was doing. It made no sense. But anywho, I was reminiscing about this time where I remember one year my mom was cooking cabbage or she was trying to cook cabbage and she was telling me about how she called her grandmother, which is my great grandmother, May she rest in peace. But she called her and she had asked her, she was like, why is my cabbage not coming out right? Like she said, my grandmother had asked her some questions. I can't remember exactly how the story goes. I just remember how it ended. But she asked her some questions and my mom was like, answer the questions, whatever. And then she was like, well, did it come in a plastic bag or did it come, you know, by itself or whatever, like out of package or out the bag? My mom was like, it came in a plastic bag. And my grandmother said, well, that was lettuce, baby. Y'all, my mom cooked lettuce and she thought it was cabbage. Oh my goodness. I am cracking up. So I'm just sitting here looking at my cabbage like, what if this don't come out right? Oh, we. Alright, so I got the cabbage in there. And I'm seasoning that cabbage up. Which I'm going to season lightly for right now because I know the sausage is in there. And we got that fat in there. Then we also have this chicken broth that is not low sodium. So I don't want to overdo it right now and it come out salty. So I got that. I got some complete. Baby's the onion powder and garlic powder over there. Can you pass it to me? And I need you to open this. He dropped y'all. Y'all okay? Oh no. I hope you don't fall.
I better wipe it off.
Oh, don't be talking to them like that. Disrespect.
How you open this?
You gotta take that plastic piece off and then take the.
How do I take the plastic piece
This one right here. So that was garlic, onion, pepper.
It's not a way. There's no way possible.
And he's taking off the thing for the complete seasoning.
I'm trying, babe. The shit coming off.
You see? What's that? Go. Yay! You did it. Alright. You said so. Okay.
That's how you open that. You already used these?
Yes, but I still gonna need them for the chicken.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what we use. That's that fire.
I haven't used complete seasoning in such a long time, so I don't remember what this tastes like. If it even really has a taste. But it's complete seasoning, so it's supposed to make it complete, right? Alright, so I got that going. I think I will put just a tad bit more. What you laughing at? What? What was you back there doing? It don't matter the video, I'm gonna show it anyway. But just a little bit more chicken broth in there. And
Ow!
it's not acting crazy.
You're a heavy hitter, man. I want you to clip. Shit.
I just don't have a thing to put over it. What are you doing?
I ain't doing nothing. I'm just making sure.
I don't have foil either.
You know?
So what happens if I can't cover this?
You just. You know what I mean?
It's gonna be like fried, right?
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Kind of gonna be like fried. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. I'll figure it out as I go. This is my first time making it, so
I feel like it's gonna come out right.
he don't even eat cabbage, so
I don't.
okay. So y'all heard it. He don't eat cabbage. Now keep watching and see what happens. All right, let's go ahead and start.
Is it good though?
Cabbage is good.
What does it taste like?
I think you would actually like cabbage. It doesn't have like a it doesn't have like a green bean texture or a green bean taste. It doesn't have okra taste. It doesn't have you like broccoli. It's not doesn't taste like broccoli, but it can kind of be the texture of broccoli the way we cook it. I think you'll like it. Try it and then see. You can't say you don't like it because you never had it. Exactly. Yo. Let's go ahead and start the mac and cheese.
One thing I hate for sure when it comes to food is seafood. Seafood is disgusting.
We both don't like seafood, and this is another reason why I love him because I
hate seafood.
Let me stop playing in people's hair.
Like,
get some hand sanitizer.
Like you gotta think about it. You know, people catch fish out the ocean. Do you know what sits in the ocean? Poop, not just from the fishes, from humans, because people are disgusting. They piss in the water. They do all of that.
Hand sanitizer.
It's disgusting.
Alright, mac and cheese time. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's roll. Sorry.
She came in and messed up the whole conversation. I'm playing. But yeah, I was just telling them, like, think about what's in the ocean. It's not just fish poop and pee, and it's a lot more.
It's creatures that look like you. Now let's get started on them.
Oh, you trying to joke? Looking like a puffer fish. I'm just kidding, baby. I love it. It was a joke.
That was not a joke.
It was.
There is a truth in every little joke you say.
Well, you told the truth in that little joke you said too.
What I said?
I look like a fish.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
I said there's a species down in there that looks like you. That's not saying that you ugly or cute.
Everything
a puffer fish
is ugly.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Not to me. Nemo wasn't ugly.
Nemo is ugly as
or Marvel.
Dora.
Or
do you know Dora is
I said
land?
Dory.
Oh.
Clearly not Dory. Let's get started on the mac and cheese and we gonna be eating. What time it is?
She don't even know.
Time.
Watch don't work. I'm playing.
First of all, my watch do work.
Oh.
It cuts off whenever it turns to the camera watch. Isn't that crazy? Why does the watch do that? It's supposed to unlock whenever it's near the phone.
It's just wild. It's wild.
That's weird. But it works, baby. It works.
Yeah, it works. Just a little bit.
Come on, we need to get started on mac and cheese.
So grab it.
We need a pan to put it in. I'm trying to think.
It's in there.
We can't put it in. We got to put it in the oven, first of all.
What?
We need to heat the oven. 350. Watch out. Come on, we need a pan.
Okay. I almost fell asleep. Okay. Here we go.
Put it in there.
Why?
Put the chicken in.
Oh! And we gotta put it in here.
Put it in there.
Oh my goodness, babe. I don't know what else.
Alright, y'all. We are back. We didn't really do much. We were just kind of just getting stuff little things done, figuring things out. So, as you guys know from the last video, I told you we just recently moved here a few months ago. So, Kool-Aid? The Jammers? Those are the kids.
Oh, I didn't know we had soda.
But we just moved in here a few months ago, so I don't have a whole lot of things, and I didn't plan well because I got to cook mac and cheese and cornbread and chicken, and all of that has to go in the oven. And I only have so many pans to go in the oven. Got to brainstorm a little bit.
Let me try it.
Here's inside the mouth of the tree. But first subscribe and like. If you love your mom or otherwise, this spider will appear in your bed tonight. Before seeing this map, I remind you to share this video with all your friends and all your loved ones.
Whatever. I'm trying to make sure your lips don't burn off.
It's really very impressive. Show you a picture of what the inside of the mouth of the turtle looks like. Here it is.
Why didn't you show me your face in front of the camera so they could see?
An unexpected thing.
What it tastes like?
No, I'm glad. Tastes good. It tastes like.
Few moments later.
I don't know what it tastes like. I gotta take another bite. Hold on.
Don't you put that fork back in that pot? Alright, so I got some heavy cream. I think I'm gonna. I should have. I was thinking about putting putting some of the noodles out, but I didn't. That's okay.
I want some more of this.
It's good. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
I want more. I want sausage. Sausage is what throws the taste on it.
Can you get that shredded cheese in there? So all I'm gonna do on my mac, sorry y'all can't see me. All I'm gonna do on my mac is pepper.
And fettuccine.
Pepper and salt.
Salt.
Yeah, because
It makes it salty.
come on, stop playing with the food. Put it in there.
I was waiting for you to put the salt in.
Well, I couldn't reach over because you're kind of right there.
Alright, go ahead.
Okay. I'm sorry. Alright. We got salt, pepper. He put in some sharp cheddar, shredded cheese. I got some Gouda in there, heavy cream. That's good.
Just a little more. This much.
Okay, wait. Hold on.
Mm-hmm.
This poor boy stole a shoe from this rich kid and left a torn out shoes there. But he didn't get far because the boy didn't run after him to get it back. And to his shock, the boy's father came with a wheelchair to pick him up because he couldn't walk. Feeling guilty,
I'm glad you're the one cleaning the
he
kitchen.
went to wear his old shoes. They became buddies and started playing together until one day.
Alright, into the oven it goes. This is kind of like the lazy way, but not lazy at the same time mac and cheese.
That's the laziest mac and cheese I ever seen.
Okay, you're disrespectful and you're lazy, so.
Just kidding. But no cap though. You want me to wrap this in?
Okay, so
Anything in the fridge?
yes, he said my cabbage tastes good. I'm gonna taste it again.
Yeah, let me try it one more time.
No,
I need to try it.
I didn't try it.
Let's see her reaction. You making that noise on purpose?
I'm not. I'm not even doing all that.
This man throws a rock and it
But my
hits
cabbage,
the
y'all?
tiger gets up and starts staring at it.
Let me get one more
Okay,
bite.
but this is good.
Let me get one more sample.
We need to eat.
Okay, one more sample. The kids not gonna eat it.
And starts staring
How
at
you
it.
know?
They probably will, but I don't know. Come on.
Hits the tiger on the
Let me
head,
get one more
which
sample.
makes the tiger very angry. A woman sees the man doing this and starts criticizing him. The man gets embarrassed and escapes from there. After some time, when the man is in the washroom, he suddenly hears screaming outside. When he goes outside, he sees everyone running for their lives. The man doesn't understand what's going on and starts looking for his kids. But then he hears a growling sound from behind.
You like
He
it?
turns around and sees the tiger walking towards him. The man is so
Tastes sour.
that he stops moving. Then he slowly pulls out his
I'm
phone
playing.
and
It
calls
tastes
911
good as
as the tiger
mud.
stares at him.
I swear, babe. She could cook. She a keeper. I know. Yeah. Y'all can't have her.
But then the tiger recognizes that this is the same man who
Thank you for the disclaimer there. So, we got the mac and cheese in the oven. Dun, 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 dun. Time for the chicken. So let me go ahead and clean up this station here because we're getting ready to get the chicken dry and get that seasoned up and put it in the oven. And then after that, we're going to show y'all the finishing results.
This the mess we gotta clean. Yeah, I know. It's alright. It's not bad. We got yeah. We finna get it done. Deuces.
It is time for the chicken. All right. You will see that there. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is oil this baby up. Just a little bit. Go ahead and put your seasonings up there so that way your hands don't get dirty and then you have to put your seasonings back up there. So you do not want to be light with no chicken seasoning, baby. That chicken seasoning, they be falling off. So you need to season. Yeah, there you go. That's how you get in there, baby.
You better take that quick.
No. Okay, that should be good with the pepper. Yep. He's getting in there. Yeah. Get all between the nooks and crannies. No, you don't want to use no salt. No salt. I don't do salt because we're going to use Sazon. You know what? Or should I? Should I use Sazon?
Yeah, bring it in here. Hear me, babe?
We'll do 1 packet of Sazon. So you did onion powder. This light is like.
Bring it over.
There we go. Yeah. Y'all back some.
Let me get it in there. No, I don't want it in
Do
there.
you boo 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 boo. Blue, 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 blue.
Now get all in there.
Yep. Baby, you turn it down, please. Hey, don't copyright me. I didn't mean it. I didn't say it. I didn't do it. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay. Where is the? Oh, there we go. Yeah, now we can see you. There's your face. Yeah.
Let's see. I'm making this chicken just for you.
Thank you. Let me see what it's looking like. Yeah. Okay.
Need more seasoning?
I don't think so.
Okay.
You don't want to over season it. I think what I'm gonna do is I don't know. I love some onions, y'all. Onions on some big chicken and green peppers.
Oh yeah. Oh, no.
Okay, you don't have to first take the onion out and green pepper out. If you got. And the red pepper. We'll just throw the other red pepper there.
Peppers.
Put in the chicken in there.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ready. I'm ready. So I'm just getting the chicken in there. Smell good. I think I might go over it.
You said green pepper?
Yep, and the red pepper. Just because I know we're not going to use it anytime soon. What's the point of letting it go bad? And yeah, good job. So let me show y'all what the chicken looks like. That's what the chicken looks like.
This woman dropped her car key in an alley and her baby was stuck inside. She was freaking out.
Yeah. You know we have a knife sharpener?
Where?
Right here.
He got a strange idea. He stuck 2 tapes on the window and started pulling it down as
That guy was using the sink.
he put his hand inside and unlocked the door so she could take her baby out. And he even drain cover to find her keys. And he was the hero of the story.
Don't you hate when that? I hate that. It hurts my teeth. I cannot stand it. Ugh.
Come on. Come on. You would never believe it.
I want to invest into some really good knives that are going to last me for a really long time. Like, when I say long time, like at least a good 10 years. Okay? I don't have time every 3 months sharpening some knives. What? No. They need to last me a lifetime. They need to last me until I went 6 feet under. Like, that's what y'all.
Let me see.
At that moment, the child's hand suddenly became transparent. As the earth fainted, the child's body suddenly became unreal. So we tried.
Alright, so let's check on the mac and cheese.
I do it like this.
He had done to his mother.
Yeah. You don't have to dice these, you just want to slice them. The mac and cheesery. The mac and cheesery. The mac and cheese alright. Mac and cheese alright. Mac and cheese alright. What I did with the what I did? Bet, you don't look. Bet, you don't look.
The bird passes out from exhaustion, but the child saw the bird fall on the ground.
Y'all, that's one thing about me. I love to make people smile. Gives me a warm, fuzzy feeling in my heart. You feel me? Okay, so mac and cheese.
Okay, I got it, babe.
I think it needs some more cheese. You think you got it? Be careful with that, man, please.
This kid ran off the side.
Definitely feel like the mac and cheese needs some more cheese.
Because security noticed him, so he quickly ran back to the stands, but security managed to catch up to him fast.
And I went ahead and put the rest of the heavy cream in there so it can get creamy. Alright, so let me give y'all a rundown because I don't want this video to be forever long. So we got the cabbage is already done. We have the rice to do, the chicken. The mac is in the oven right now. He's slicing up the green pepper, red pepper, and the onion for the chicken to go on top so we can throw that in the oven. And then the only other thing we'll have left is the cornbread, which I gotta wait for the mac to get done. I'm gonna put the mac in a Tupperware and then put the cornbread in, which is not gonna take too long, hopefully. And then we'll be done. I'm gonna come back with the finishing results, what our plates are looking like. So peace out for now. We are finally back, y'all. We just got finished cooking and we wanted to show you the final product because we are hungry. We are ready to eat. Here,
We cooked at 5.
Alright, you ready to show them? I don't think y'all ready. I really don't think y'all ready for this because y'all gonna be up in the comments talking about something. Let me get a plate. Let me get a plate.
But y'all beat.
Very much so. Because we're not sharing over here. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Y'all. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Cause you stupid though, but for real, got the rice, mac, cabbage, cornbread, chicken. Yes, sir. It is looking good. I cannot. But it is looking really good, y'all. We are getting ready to eat, say a prayer, and dive in. I hope everyone enjoyed this video, enjoyed their Monday night. For now, y'all, we are out.
We gone.
Baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit Windy City. Did I see? No.